I'm back, and this is the unboxing of the Samsung S10e. It is one of the incentive of where my husband is working, so they call it ambassador phones. So this is what he chose. So this is where it came from, the box. Then that's okay, that one. And then yes, just a small box inside a big box. Anyway, this is how it looks like, the box. Okay, I'm going to remove now the plastic, and I'm going to use the scissor again. Voila. Make it fast. Then it came with this card, SIM card, and then there's another plastic, and this one is in Prism Green. So unbox, remove the plastic again. I don't want to ruin the box. Okay. So this is the box now without those plastics, and it says here European SIM card only, and of course if that seal is broken, that cannot be. So now I have to break it, and voila. And wait, some more. Voila. Galaxy S10e. So these are the specifications. 128 GB. Just imagine that. It's 128. And there it goes. Underneath this cover is, I have difficulty removing. There's something in there which I have difficulty removing indeed. So this is for the SIM card, or SIM card ejector, I would say. And it's I do not know. Oh, I thought that was the color. And these are the documentation, of course. The guide is that one. Guide in different language. Warranty card. Regional lock guide. Okay, that's what is in it. Okay, I will eject that out. The SIM card ejector. Anyway, okay. Oops. This is the phone now, and you can see me. Hello. Wow, that's nice. Okay, set that aside. This is the earphone. It's in white. And wait, there. In white. Look at that. The block is in white. And then of course this is in white. This is USB-C, and this is USB-A. Oops. This is the cable, and of course it's, oh, there's this. This is USB-C, this is micro USB. Okay. And then the cable, USB-A, and then USB-C. Okay, so those are the things for the unboxing. And now I'm just showing you a bit of the phone. So, don't know. There's a sort of like film here. So I guess that's protection. And then I'm just gonna remove this. You hear that? Yes, you heard that. Like it that. Look at the color, and you can see the reflection of my phone, which is also Samsung. So I guess I will not remove this because this is the film. So for now, this is the phone. Let's just open a bit. You see that? I think this is the power on. Is it? Wait. Voila, yes, that's the power on. This is for the microphone, if I'm not mistaken, for the SIM. Then the volume, and I think this is for the Bixby Home. For the earphone, USB-C, another microphone, and then this is the speaker and the camera. And also, I forgot, I'll just insert it now. I forgot to insert this one. This was been bought some days before, and it's for Samsung S10e. This is the case that we choose. It is Itskins anti-shock 2 anti-shock 2 up to 2 meters. Sorry, anti-shock up to 2 meters. My goodness. Hybrid MKII dual layer protection. And this is the one. Let's open it. Since the phone is here, I might as well use it. To open that, it's here. We'll open it from here. I always make it a point to buy a phone case just for the protection of it. And I cannot open this well because there are a lot of stickers in it. There you go. And so this is how it looks like. There's a clear on the back side, and then there's this border on the side that is covering, oops, sorry, and to fit in like this, of course. Voila. Thank you for watching.